Types of fuel engine. Diesel engine, a vehicle that uses diesel as a fuel. It uses a mechanism wherein heat is produced by compression that burns the fuel that is injected. The energy produced is converted into mechanical motion. Heavy vehicles such as trucks, buses, tractors are the example of diesel engine. Petrol engine is also referred to as gasoline engines that uses petrol as fuel. Here the spark plugs are used for combustion. Light vehicles such as patrol bikes are the example of petrol engine. Vehicle that uses electric as fuel stored in batteries. Body types. Automobiles can be classified based on the body types such as the hatchbacks, sedans, multipurpose vehicle, MPVs, sport utility vehicles, SUVs. Wheel drive. Two-wheel drive vehicles such as mopeds and motorcycles. Four-wheel drive vehicles uses all the four wheels, also referred to as off-road vehicles. Front-wheel drive vehicles where the engine drives the front wheels, hatchbacks, sedans. Rear-wheel drive vehicles such as